All right, let's continue reading, okay? Officer Buckle was thumbtacking Claire's letter to his bulletin board when the phone started ringing. Grade schools, high schools, and daycare centers were calling about the safety speech. Grade schools are like what we are in here right now, in elementary school. Sometimes people call them grade schools. Officer Buckle, they said, our students want to hear your safety tips. And please bring along that police dog. So who's the police dog? What's her name again? Gloria. Yes, Gloria is correct. Officer Buckle told his safety tips to 313 schools. Everywhere he and Gloria went, children sat up and they listened. After every speech, Officer Buckle took Gloria out for ice cream. Officer Buckle loved having a buddy. What's going on here? Do you see that? Gloria's signing autographs. She's signing her name because she's what? She's a little famous. Then one day, a television news team videotaped Officer Buckle in the State College auditorium. Do we know what an auditorium is? It's like usually there's a stage and it's got a lot of seats and sometimes they kind of go upwards so that people can see in the very back. That's what an auditorium is. If you've ever seen maybe a play, that's kind of like an auditorium or a musical. When he finished safety tip number 99, do not go swimming during electrical storms. The students jumped to their feet and applauded. Why do you think they're jumping to their feet and applauding? Because of the safety tip? No. Then why? Bravo! Bravo! They cheered. Officer Buckle bowed again and again. That night, Officer Buckle watched himself on the 10 o'clock news. What is he watching? Can you see what he's watching on TV? Yeah, we can. We can see it because of the mirror. How do you think Officer Buckle's feeling? What's that look on his face? He is shocked. He's surprised. Do you think he's happy? I don't think he's happy, friends. How about Gloria? What is Gloria's face telling us? Gloria's face looks like she looks like my dog when my dog knows she did something she was not supposed to do. Alright, let's continue reading on. The next day, the principal of Natville School telephoned the police station. Good morning, Officer Buckle. It's time for our safety speech. Officer Buckle frowned. I'm not giving any more speeches. Nobody looks at me anyways. Oh, said Miss Topple. Well, how about Gloria? Could she, huh? Someone else from the police station gave Gloria a ride to school. Gloria sat on stage looking lonely. Then she fell asleep. So did the audience. After Gloria left, Natville School had its biggest accident ever. Uh-oh. That doesn't sound too good. It started with a puddle of banana pudding. Splat, splatter, sploosh. Everyone slid smack into Miss Topple, who screamed and let go of the hammer. So, can I have my friend point to the spill? Can you point to what spill? Do you know? Can you tell me what spilled? Okay, what happened on this page? What's happening? Yeah. And who all was involved in this accident on the page? Everyone was involved. Because they slid right into Miss Topple. You're correct. The next morning, a pile of letters arrived at the police station. Every letter had a drawing of the accident. Officer Buckle was shocked. At the bottom of the pile was a note, written on a paper star. Officer Buckle smiled. The note said, "Gloria missed you yesterday. Your friend Claire. P.S. Don't worry, I was wearing my helmet. Safety tip number 7. Gloria gave Officer Buckle a big kiss on the nose. Officer Buckle gave Gloria a nice pat on the back. Then Officer Buckle thought of his best safety tip yet. Anyone want to take a guess what they think the safety tip might be? Good guess. Not quite it. Alright, let's read to find out what that last best safety tip was. Safety tip number 101. Always stick with your buddy. Was that what you thought it was going to be? No, that's okay. It's okay. Sometimes our predictions aren't correct. And that is a-okay, friends. So, let's see. Excuse me. So next, I would be giving you guys my worksheet. And we would talk about some of the things, like we could talk about the two main characters, Officer Buckle and Officer Gloria. Or, not Officer Gloria, but Gloria the police dog. Officer Gloria. You know what I mean. And we would then talk about the descriptors that you could use to describe Officer Buckle and then describe Gloria. We would talk about maybe like their key moments in the story and things like that.